Quit badminton! Get off the court, man! In this video, I'm going to teach a man with the weakest mind in the world how to have a mindset that wins every rally. We're going to build your confidence in 5 simple steps. And I promise by the end, when you play me and play against our previous subscriber in the last video, you're going to play completely different. Number 1, you have to be confident and want to win. This is something you need to practice especially. Now, I know this might look like a joke, but it's important. If you're not threatening on courts, how can you intimidate your opponents?
Okay, I'm super threatening in doubles. Double serve return. They shake when I serve.
Okay, so come here, NG. From our last video, I beat you 21-0. And then for you, it was like 22-20, right? The reason you made so many mistakes against me and none against him is you probably felt pressure against me. So, Franklin, we need you to intimidate NG. Here, do
on
this.
The line.
Imagine like this is your court. You never want to see his face here again. Communicate that to him so he will be too scared to come back here.
I don't want to see your face here ever again.
Is that a question? When you're playing badminton, you're not going to actually say it, but you have to make them feel like you're going to destroy them.
No, just step on the line when you receive the serve.
Man, you guys can't play with confidence. But at least if you see pro players, they're fierce on the court because even if they don't say it, they're thinking it.
Oh, you gotta say so after every single rally.
Tip number 2, when you warm up, you need to be making as many mistakes as possible and opening up the court. Because if you play safe during the warm-up, you won't get an opportunity to warm up and open up the court during the gameplay, okay? So what I want you to do right now is play half courts, like you're doing a half court warm-up. And your goal during this time frame is to open up the court as much as possible. This is the time where you make all your mistakes. What is that? You need to warm up with confidence. Like you can hit whatever you want, okay?
Sure. That's out.
If anything, the only time where the pressure is not really on yet. This is your last chance to build that confidence.
Right.
Once you start the game, it's really hard to build. Yeah, do trick shots. Yeah, yes. You're Lee Chong-wei.
No!
Here, let me show you a quick example of what confidence during warm-up likes. You have to feel like you're invincible, you're a wall, no matter what. Like, what do you want? Ooh, where'd you go? Ooh, okay.
And then,
see ya. The difference is that
with confidence.
The difference between that and cockiness is you win. If you lose, you're cocky. If you win, you're confident. Really, what's the difference, right? It's okay to make mistakes during the warm-up. The warm-up is where you build your confidence. Can you try doing that?
Sure,
okay.
Sure. No!
I don't think Franklin's got it in him. Ballerina. Oh, that's good. Nice. Nice. Yes. Yes.
It's out.
Okay, you just play so much more solid there. You're steady, solid. Being the confident thing is pretty much just bringing your foundation of badminton better. Tip number 3, make your mistakes early. The mistake you guys make, I know when you probably start off, you're like, okay, we're starting the game. I don't want to fall too far behind, so I'm going to play everything safe. But if you start like that, later on, you're going to just play safer and safer until all your shots are just in the center. The beginning of the game is when you need to start going for points. Okay? So for example, here, I'll play a quick point against you. 3 points. My normal safe shot would just be here, serve, middle. But what can I try to do here? Well, I can do something like this. And once you get, especially if you can get these few points right off the bat, you dominate your opponent so much. Ooh. Woo. Woo. There you go. Franklin, can you do it? Making mistakes early is the same as playing with freedom early, okay? Don't play safe at the beginning.
All right, more trick shots.
Yes. 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 And it's okay to lose a few points in the first few points. It's when you guys are all getting used to each other.
No.
Okay? Yeah. There's a limit on what you should do, but sure.
No.
You know what the difference between confidence and cockiness is? 2 points there, that was cockiness. You're not even trying to win the game anymore. You're just like doing it to show off. I think that's what cockiness is. You're doing it to the purpose of achieving the goal. Tip number 4, you need to get rid of all excuses. We need to get any excuse you have in your heart and in your mind are weaknesses. So even if we're here already, find a way to get rid of them before you step on the court. What's one excuse you have today?
No sleep.
Yeah, what's one excuse you have today? I heard you say you're rusty. You haven't played in a while. How long has it been since you played?
2 whole years.
2 whole years. So Franklin?
I gotta
nap.
gaslight myself.
No, take a nap. Sure, you can do that. If I was actually tired, I would just sit against the chair and close my eyes for like 5 or 10 minutes. Find ways to get rid of your excuses, okay? Now for you, in terms of you're rusty, how do you get rid of that excuse in a very short period of time?
More warm-up, more play.
Yeah, more warm-ups, okay? Close your eyes.
No sleep.
Close your eyes.
Oh, it's okay. I'll gaslight myself into thinking I slept.
Okay, do it. How do you do it? Show us.
I slept for 7 hours today and
I-
had breakfast as well. I'm feeling great. It's time to win.
Okay. Oh, I like that. Just the way you speak is so different. Why don't you gaslight yourself more often? Anyways, those were the 4 steps. Are we ready to see it in action? Okay, let's see it. You guys will play 5 points each against me. And what I'm mainly looking for is your confidence level. Okay? Play against me like you're here to beat me. I'll be on this side. Okay, confidence. That's what we need to see. Okay? You don't need to beat me, but you need to play confidently. Ready? Whoa, that's completely different. When you're playing confident, even if you miss points, you have to go like, I had you, you know? You need to do that. You miss it, it's like, I got you.
Out.
Ooh. Oh. That's actually a pretty big improvement. A lot of the problem with you guys, it's really just mindset more than it is gameplay. Ooh. Oh yeah. What? Ooh.
Whoa!
Okay, Franklin, your turn. Can Franklin do it? I don't know. The day Franklin has confidence
We'll see.
is the day I put all my life savings into Bitcoin. Oh yeah. What you got?
No!
Okay. Not bad, not bad. Ooh. Oh man.
No!
If you think you're gonna win the point, you're gonna win the.
So!
You become the people like you're surrounded by. I'm surrounded by 2 villagers here. I'm becoming a
I think he
villager.
needs a bit more confidence.
Koyo, I'm becoming a villager. Oh yeah.
So! GG.
As you can see, the coaching is too
Confidence.
valuable. So this video might be a joke, but you guys actually play better after those rounds of jokes. You guys end the video.
You. Knowledge is power.